This is Tony Teolis from ToDoListHome.com.
This is a follow-up to episode 39, which told you how to get your kerosene heater ready for winter and use in the home. Well, in this episode we're going to tell you how to put it away safely for the summer. It's already a little pre-assembled, but I wanted to show how easy it was to take this apart. We start with the 2 screws on either side that hold the assembly carried here. We remove those, lift the assembly off, carefully turn the burner, take the burner off, remove the wick adjuster, remove this frame, and then there are 4 wing nuts holding the wick assembly in place. Just turn those up and you pull the wick assembly out. We remove the wick assembly and you see we got a lot of good wick here left. I'll just set this to the side. We have a rubber gasket to remove, and using a clean rag that you'll soon discard, go ahead and wipe the inside of the heater reservoir. Heat the inside of the kerosene reservoir dry, and I'm just going to let this sit outside for a little bit, get it nice and dry, and then it can be reassembled and stored back in the house.